Hello our fans, welcome back to Cultivate Uganda once again. Today's presentation is all about coffee farming in Uganda. Today we are going to explore the world of coffee farming in Uganda, from planting to harvesting, and discussing the challenges and opportunities facing coffee farmers in Uganda. In Uganda, coffee varieties from arabica coffee, robusta coffee, and Kent coffee have been grown for a number of years. Today we are going to consider a robusta coffee plantation that has been in coffee production for almost 10 years. But allow me to first introduce to you the best coffee planting and spacing techniques that a farmer should consider in order to establish a standard coffee plantation. In this guide, we are going to consider the planting and the spacing of robusta coffee. Robusta coffee is spaced 10 by 10 feet in rows, and in this spacing, 450 trees can fit in an acre, depending on the nature of the plantation landscape. Coffee holes are dug with a size of 2 by 2 by 2 feet. This size is capable for holding enough water during rainy seasons to keep the plant in a moist condition for proper growth. Then well-decomposed manure of 3 kilograms is mixed with 2 kilograms of soil and added into the hole. The purpose of mixing well-decomposed manure with soil is to prevent direct contact of the plant roots with the manure, so that to prevent burning of the plant roots. The holes should be left for 2 months after applying the manure before transplanting our coffee seedlings. After the 2 months, our coffee seedlings are then transplanted into the holes, and they should be watered frequently to supply them with enough water that should encourage growth. In the first year of the growing stage of our coffee seedlings, watering should be carried out, especially in the dry season, and mulching should be done so that to retain moisture that has been provided to the coffee seedlings. From 0 to 2 years of our coffee, manure and fertilizers can be induced depending on the needed content by our coffee plants. For instance, in the active growing stage of our coffee plants, they should be provided with a fertilizer that contains much contents of nitrogen, because nitrogen promotes leaf growth and the development of the plant. Fertilizers like urea and ammonium sulfate can contain the content of nitrogen, whereas during the flowering and fruiting stage, the coffee plants should be provided with fertilizers that contain high rates of phosphorus and potassium. Phosphorus supports root development, flowering, and fruiting. It is contained in fertilizers like DAP. On the other hand, potassium enhances overall plant health and disease resistance. Potassium can be found in fertilizers like potassium sulfate. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next section. Bye bye.